My name is Seth and welcome back for another video. In this one we are going to create the hub damping spring, which is this one on the picture. It's nearly the same part as the previous video. We will just add a revolved base to complete the hub damping spring. So let's begin by creating a new file and let's select the part design. Here I'm going to choose the front plane, change the view, and let's begin our sketching. So we will begin with the sweep, and for the sweep we need two sketches as we did on the previous video. So I'm going to select a line for the first sketch, and the line should be 12 mm. Now we can exit the sketch. Click Escape to deselect the first sketch and then click again on Sketch to begin another sketch. Now click on the front plane and let's create a circle. The center of the circle should be on this axis here. The diameter of the circle is 0.75 and the distance between this center and this line is 2.5. Now we can exit the sketch and let's use the sweep feature. The first sketch is this circle and the second sketch is the sketch with this line. Click on Options, change the profile twist here to specify twist value and change the twist control to revolutions. Here we need 11. And then click OK. Now I will need another cut extrude as we did on the previous video, so select the front plane and then go to sketch. Let's build a center rectangle. Make sure the center is on this axis. The distance between this line, let's zoom in, and this point is just 0.5. And here we have 9.75. Now let's go for the cut extrude. Let's change blind to mid plane and the depth should be, let's give it 25, and click on flip side to cut. Then click OK. Cool. Here we did the same exercise as the previous video, but in this one we are going to add a revolve inside the sweep. So let's select the front plane again and let's begin the sketching. Change the view and let's add some lines. Now we can exit the sketch and let's use the boss revolve. So click on the revolve here. The axis of revolution should be this line. Now click OK. And as you can see, we got exactly the form of the hub dumping spring. In the next video, we are going to create the 10th part of our clutch system, which is called the cushion spring. So see you on the next video and peace out.